Steve Blight, J.Racenstein. So the whole idea behind your soap or your surfactant is to release the dirt off the underlying substrate. So if you've got a roof in this instance and you're thinking, oh, I'm going to put a surfactant up there, and then this helps release the mold and the dirt that you're pulling off that. But the surfactant could be something that's not sticky and you get a little rundowns. So you're going to try to combine a surfactant with some stickiness factor, two separate things, to get it to stay on the roof and come down. So why is a surfactant important? What the surfactant does is it allows you to pull that dirt and loose stuff into and dissolve itself into the mix, your soapy water mix, your detergent mix in that instance. So if you're cleaning glass in that instance, you put a little soap on the glass, not only does it give you a glide, but that surfactant is pulling that dirt off into the water in that instance and helping you pull that dirtiness right down off the glass.